Artificial intelligence has taken significant strides, particularly in the realm of language models. Two notable examples are ChatGPT and DeepSeek V3, each designed with distinct goals and capabilities that cater to various user needs. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, aims to facilitate engaging chat-based interactions while supporting creative writing, coding, and general problem-solving tasks. Its training involved a vast dataset that allows it to cover a multitude of topics, making it especially strong in English and proficient in several other languages. Users often appreciate its conversational abilities, fostering a positive experience with fluid dialogues that mimic human-like interaction. In contrast, DeepSeek V3, crafted by DeepSeek AI, is targeted toward deep reasoning and mathematical problem-solving. This model has been fine-tuned for Chinese English tasks, showcasing advanced performance in reasoning and knowledge retrieval, particularly within the Chinese language. This specialization helps users navigate intricate calculations and encourages a nuanced understanding of bilingual queries, proving beneficial for those who require expertise in both languages. When analyzing their strengths, ChatGPT stands out for its broad knowledge base, creativity, and coding assistance. Versatile users favor its seamless flow in conversations while delving into diverse subjects. Furthermore, its numerous versions, such as GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, offer varied capabilities, catering to distinct needs as they arise. Meanwhile, DeepSeek V3 shines in the realm of mathematical reasoning and scientific calculations, thriving on complexity. Its structured approach to problem-solving ensures users find it effective when tackling advanced mathematical inquiries. The two models thus occupy unique niches in the AI landscape, catering to varied user preferences and requirements. Accessibility also plays a role in this comparison. ChatGPT is readily available through OpenAI's platforms, with both free and paid options making it accessible to a wide audience. In contrast, DeepSeek V3's open-source nature offers developers a canvas for customization, fueling creativity and building tailored applications. Ultimately, the choice between ChatGPT and DeepSeek V3 hinges on the user's objectives. Alternatively, those focusing on mathematical challenges and bilingual tasks will find DeepSeek V3 a stellar companion. For those seeking engaging conversations, creative expression, and coding assistance, ChatGPT is the go-to.